everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you guys can promote Maxbounty product with paid advertising. Okay, so if you guys want to learn about the Maxbounty and how you can do the CPA marketing, this is the video for you. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to jump to my computer and just share with you my Maxbounty account. So this is the best way for you guys that are beginner and you want to do the CPA marketing. So I definitely recommend, if you are new to this affiliate marketing, definitely use the Maxbounty because it's free to sign up, and I link the description of my video so you guys can go and sign up. So what you're going to do is just when you sign up to the account, to the Maxbounty account, go for the search campaigns, and there's so much campaigns, that it's so much affiliate product that you guys can find. And I definitely recommend, if you are new to the affiliate marketing, use the CPA marketing Maxbounty, because it doesn't need to sell the product. You just grab the link for the product and promote it, and most of the people sign up, or just visit the page for the product, and they do some activity on the product, so you guys can get paid. The commission gonna be small, but it does worth your time, and you don't need to sell the product. The only thing is just you need to promote the product consistently so that you guys can see the results. Okay, as you guys can see, I just got so much product in my Maxbounty account. I did some mark for the product because this is I don't need to go and just looking for another product. I already check out some product, so I just mark it so you guys can do it too. So very simple, just go and select the product and see how the product is. And if you guys wants to know about the product, just simply just read the description. For example, this is the product, it's zbuyer.com. okay, instant home offer, zip submit US. So it's one of the website that people just read the description. User can sign up with zbuyer.com to have an instant offer on their home. User 30 plus, one of the best converters. Okay, offers convert on the zip submit. So you only just offering this product, this website to the targeting audience, and your customer just need to submit their zip for their for you to get commission. And every customer that they are submit the zip for this product, you get $3.60 paid for just submitting the page. So just going to the landing page, as you guys can see, is just United States allowed, so you need to promote this product only in the United States. And yeah, that's simple. People just from United States, for example, in Australia, so I'm not sure about the United States zip code, so I just looking for any city in a zip, California zip code, any city in United States, and just choose the zip code 90001 is the zip code. So for example, I'm the customer, I'm looking to already I have it here. So I'm the customer, I'm just coming, for example, I want to selling your home. If I have a home, I just sell it, just come to the website, and yeah, you'll get an instant online offer for your home. The people that they are looking for the offer for their home to sell it, so they can come to this website and just getting some quotes from this website, and that's simple. It's just, you know, continue this, you get, you fill the form, and that's it, and you guys gonna get a commission from Maxbounty. So that's very simple and that's very easy to do. You don't need to sell the product. It's CPA marketing. I definitely recommend, if you are doing affiliate marketing, start using the CPA marketing, and it's very simple. So that's how I do the promote Maxbounty product. If you guys wants to know about how do you guys can promote Maxbounty product, I definitely recommend, you know, sign up to the Maxbounty product. I put the link in the description, and you guys can choose so many products. But I definitely recommend, if you are new to the affiliate marketing, start using the CPA marketing. You don't need to sell the product. So, and there's so much, you know, rates here. For example, 95 per lead. I think it's very less. If I want to promote this product, for example, in a paid advertising, it doesn't have, you know, much profit that I wants to, you know, earn. But so, for example, this $1.41 per lead, and this is 1.41. I usually trying to find a product more than you know, $1.50, or even more than $2, so I can get, you know, could have good commission for, you know, promoting that product. For example, this is a good product. So I think it's a game. Yeah, it's a heavy metal machine desktop home. This is $3 per lead. So just go and check out this, how it does looks. Okay. If I like this product, I want to promote it next time, and I definitely going to mark this product. Here you can bookmark the campaign and come and check out next time, and maybe you want to promote it again. So yeah, like, first login, play first game, 16 cents per lead, $2 per lead, first login. Okay, maybe just people just gonna sign up to this and just log into this you know, game, and you get paid $3. That's it. In this is the description, you guys can read, and if you want to get approved, because approval to run, and you guys can get the link to promote. So this is, for example, is Canada, United States, you can promote, and so on. So if you guys wants to know about affiliate marketing and, you know, CPA marketing and traffic that you guys can use for your affiliate marketing, I make a video about these kind of things. You guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.